My name is Robert McKeirnan. I'm president of Strada Mechanica. What our product is a license plate attachment that allows car owners the ability to quickly swap out to either display their plate or maybe attach an action camera to the front of the car. And what makes our product unique is we've got a lug that's concealed underneath the fascia of the car, and that lug threads into the tow hook attachment. So once you attach that lug, you're able to quickly either display your plate, or you can put a GoPro, or you can remove everything and just keep the purity of the car. When I was kind of young, my dad was in aviation and had a mechanical background. I kind of followed suit with that mechanical background. Had some friends that had older brothers that were working on cars, doing mods. One was doing a restore mod on a Mustang Mach 1. Was going through the whole thing, and I can remember as a little kid going down there, sitting in the car, watching him do the work. And then I had another buddy around the corner that got into four-wheel drive. And then he started to make some aftermarket parts. I thought it was kind of neat how these guys were kind of doing it on their own and setting a standard. What got me into this industry was probably when I was in my early mid-20s. SEMA started to broadcast some of the shows that they had on TV. They'd be special events, and I didn't know anything about SEMA at the time. I thought, oh, how cool would it be to be part of this SEMA group, which really was kind of the Kickstarter to really going after the automotive industry. The reason why the market needs this product is that you have about 60% of the states that require a front license plate to be displayed on a vehicle. And with that being said, you've got a lot of car enthusiasts out there that try to purchase their car without having the OEM plate screwed to the front of it. What could we do to address that need to at least comply, and especially if you got those car enthusiasts that may be jumping from state to state on taking a cross-country run. It gives them that ability, depending on where they're at or maybe at a show or whatever, to do what they'd like to do and capture the moments with our GoPro attachment also. To be able to win SEMA and be that first place winner would allow us to really leap ahead. The other aspect of being part of this whole SEMA event, a launch pad, is the network on top of it. And if SEMA can open up the door for us to OEM networks, to where we could partner with OEMs, that would really be a huge opportunity for us. What I love about the car industry is the fact that transportation is key. And I think what's neat about it is it gives people the freedom to go places and do things that they want to do. And as that car industry changes, that vehicle becomes a big part of their life and how they can explore and those adventures and memories with families.